going to be sharing how to study for the NCLEX exam. Okay, so the first thing that I did was take an assessment to see all of the categories and subjects that I learned over the course of nursing school. So what I used is TrueLearn. So I love using TrueLearn because what I did was choose all of the different categories and subjects and take the test, and from there on I'm able to see what topics that I need to focus more on, like for example more of med-surg, and then I can also choose the body system that I also need to practice more on, so like let's say cardiovascular. And from there on I created my study plan for a whole month. So what I did to study for my exam is I created a study plan where it was intense studying for a month and a half, where it was pretty much one subject for the first week, another subject for the other, and then from there on I prioritized the subjects that I really needed to focus on, and from there on the ones that I did well in, I focused less amount of days on that. So really sticking to your study schedule. Okay, so I'm answering all of your questions that I got from Instagram and Facebook. I asked you guys what questions you would like me to cover about the NCLEX. So the first question I got is, can you work while studying for the NCLEX? So I think for this, it depends really on your situation. I know some people who started working like at a COVID clinic right after they finished their bachelor's, and they were completely fine, but I think it depends on the person and how your study technique is. How much is the NCLEX? So it was a total of $500. The next question I got is, what resources did I use? So I really use so many different resources. That I use is Picmonic and TrueLearn. Many of you guys know that in nursing school, active recall is super important, so I use Picmonic and TrueLearn throughout pretty much nursing school. So I really love them because Picmonic has these cute visual pictures and videos with explanations, and it's just so cute because it allows you to remember the information in a way where you won't from just like reading a book or a textbook about it. So it was like really fun and engaging. And then also I use TrueLearn, which is a NCLEX based practice test. So I loved it so much because it helped me identify like which categories I wasn't good at. So for example, I wasn't good at med-surg, so that paired with maybe cardiovascular subjects I wasn't good in. So then it created a test formulated on 25 questions on that, and I did a time test and a real scenario like the NCLEX. And then I was able to do that for a couple weeks. Okay, the last question is, should I study more than 75 questions at a time? Personally, I feel like it's best to spend 2 hours each day until you're NCLEX. So perhaps if you're taking it at least 1 to 2 months ahead, and practice 75 questions each day at least. And I like to do the TrueLearn question bank, so that way you're able to practice this NCLEX style learning. And just doing that until your NCLEX day can really help your score so much. I hope some of these tips helped you guys, and if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below, and let me know if you guys are a nursing student and you're about to take the NCLEX. Also, thank you guys so much for subscribing. Let me know down in the comments what videos you would like me to talk about next, and see you guys next time. Alright, so I hope these tips helped you guys.